Alright guys, here's a 1978 Lakewood model S-223 that I got at one of my local flea markets for 20 bucks. A bit pricey for a fan like this for me, but it was worth it because it's interesting for one reason. These second gen S-223s are very uncommon fans to begin with, but to make it even more uncommon, it has that speed sticker as opposed to the orange sparkly speed sticker like most of these would have had. And that's the same as any of them would be. It's the same peachish color. Blades are identical and everything. Here's the back. It's got a Macmillan motor. It's not yellowed out. For some reason that light makes it look really yellow. I don't know why. Neither of the grills are missing any vents at all. The front grill's got a little chip right there, but that's it. This fan's cool because it sounds like a Galaxy plastic motor box fan running, and I like that about it. And it's got the faster speeds to it, which is nice. Here's low. It's got a very cool startup sound to it. This one's actually like my 81 P223. It's kind of in the middle. It doesn't go really fast, but it's not slow. It's already moving some air. I wish all my Lakewood box fans had this kind of low to them. I like this low. They sound nice. It's medium. Medium is actually about regular. This motor might just have a stronger low winding in it. And here's high. High goes pretty fast. There's a lot of air like any Lakewood. Go ahead and shut it off. It's got a really good coast down time. When I got it, it actually did need oil pretty bad. It didn't start up very fast. Took it a long time to warm up, but after about 20 minutes of running, it would get up and run just fine, but I didn't really like that. Now, this was off a cold motor. I haven't even turned this fan on yet today. That was the first time it's ran in probably 3 or 4 days since I turned it off last time that it was running over there on that bench where that stand fan is. So yeah, it's probably going to be one of my more favorite use box fans for the summer. Because like I said, it's got the low speed that I like to it, and I can sleep to that low speed really well for some reason, as opposed to the slow low speed. But it's a really nice fan, definitely one I plan on keeping around. Pretty uncommon too. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.